Well, what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript which provides static type checking. Think of it as JavaScript with powers. It was created by Microsoft and the goal was to help catch type-related bugs that can easily creep into production. So with the TypeScript tool, you have the TypeScript code, and this code will compile your TypeScript code to JavaScript code. And of course, in the process, if there are any type errors, it will throw an error, but if there are no type errors, it converts it to JavaScript because JavaScript is what the browser understands, as well as other runtime environments like Node. Now, though TypeScript adds a bit more work to the regular JavaScript code that you write, it plays an important role in helping you build type-safe applications. JavaScript is regarded as a loose language, a dynamically typed language. Such languages assign types during runtime. What that means is, say you have this example, here variable is a string, here variable is an array. Now, as at the time where this line is run during runtime, well, variable is going to be of type string. Now, at the point where you assign an array to this variable, now variable is going to be of type array. This is what makes it dynamic. Depending on the values that you assign to the variable can hold different types from time to time. Now, in small applications, this is fine. You don't have to worry about your types. JavaScript will figure them out during runtime. But as your application grows bigger and bigger, you probably don't want things to be dynamic like this. Instead, you want them to be static. Because if you're only having access to type information during runtime, well, that means there are some type bugs that you would only discover during runtime. Let's say you come here and you do variable.toFixed2. Now, toFixed is something that exists on numbers, but not strings and not arrays. You probably wouldn't discover that this is an error until you try to run the JavaScript. So if I should run this with Node, what is TypeScript/index.js? Now we get an error which says variable.toFixed is not a function. But if, let's say, we had here that variable equals 20, well, that means variable is now going to be of the number type, and that way if we should run this node again, you can see that we don't have any errors here. So with dynamic typings like this, some type errors can creep into production if you're not careful enough. But then when you add static typing to your code, that means you don't have to get type information during runtime anymore. You can get it directly from compile time, and this is where TypeScript comes in. By having static typing, you can ensure your code is in the right structure, having the right types before your code gets to production. In the rest of this video, we'll learn how to set up TypeScript, see the syntax of TypeScript and the various ways that you can type your variables, and would learn many other important things that will be useful for you in your TypeScript journey.